Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Magical Science. Today we are going to learn about floating paper clips experiments. So let's try this magical experiment. For this experiment we need some paper clips, glass which is filled with water and detergent. Let's do this experiment. Fill glass with water. You can use bowl also. And after that place paper clip in the center of glass with the help of another opened paper clip, or you can use tissue paper also. See, the paper clip is floating. See, the paper clips are floating. If we disturb that water, nothing will happen. See. And if we add detergent in this water, we'll check what will happen. So this is detergent. See, the paper clips sink at the bottom. See, now you can check and if we will try to put another paper clip, we'll see. So the paper clip will not float. See. So this happens because of surface tension. First thing, the paper clips will float on the surface of the water because of surface tension. And
actually, we know that any heavy and metal product sink at the bottom of water, but paper clips are not sinking. This happens because of surface tension. Surface tension means there is a sort of layer on the surface of water. Many insects such as water striders walk on water because of surface tension, and paper clips are not floating on detergent water because of detergent reduces surface tension of liquid. Do try this experiment at home and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.